Well, hello again. It's been a while. I do truly apologize. I'm busy working and such and stuff. I'm just burnt out. Sorry. Let's do a quick project real quick. I was gonna use this. We bought this at an antique store. It's an antique lace tablecloth and lace. I was probably gonna use it to make a shirt out of it. So as I'm here kind of playing with it, thought it looked like a pretty wedding dress train. But then I held it and realized it covered me totally. So I folded it a little off center so it would have a dip in the back. That's what I'm gonna do with this thing. So I've got it folded in fours here. See how it's alternating? This is going to be the front, this is going to be the back. So give it a train. Just finding my lines. Watch me turn this tablecloth into a dress. That one cut, that's going to make the back cut. Now I'm going to just the front layer. I'm going to trim that off lower. That's where your face is. Alright. So now we just got to sew this up. So we've got our dress. I'm just going to sew right up the line I cut. Okay, so as far as the neck goes, I guess you want to have some kind of trim or hem, something there. So I'm just going to go and turn it over. Do like a real small rolled edge. So since this was an antique tablecloth and it was stained already, it's definitely going to be on costume worthy and it's going to get painted and dirty. Let's try it on. Just from a tablecloth. Well, that's it for today's video. Let me know if y'all like this kind of stuff. I liked it. It was quick, and I'm sure it's going to be much easier to edit than other stuff I've been doing. So, I mean, this is how you do thrift store in a haunted house. Thank you guys for joining us. Come see us again. I'm going to be better about posting more videos. So join us again for our next one, and we will see you next time. Until then, be nice to each other and take care.